Rotary Manipal Hills is a proud winner of an international grant by the Rotary Action Group, Rotarians Against Malaria. It is an initiative which will be driven by the community to combat deadly diseases like malaria, chikungunya, dengue and filariasis. This initiative will focus on prevention, awareness and sustainability. The project will be actively sensitizing the slum areas, the immigrant workers at the construction sites and the schools, colleges and universities. Our action plan includes 1. Sustainable prevention, which means planting of neem trees, tulsi and lemongrasses around the 20 acres of Manipal Lake, which will be led by our District Commissioner Dr. Vidya Kumari. 2. Innovative solutions, deploying mosquito traps to ensure mosquito-free homes and also initiation of distribution of mosquito nets to vulnerable families. 3. Healthcare support, which means providing testing kits, BP apparatus, glucometer and essential medicines to assist health workers in early diagnosis and treatment. 4. Community engagement, which means training healthcare workers, students and volunteers to drive awareness and support interventions. This initiative reflects disciplined and relentless action for healthier Manipal. Together with community-driven and participation and healthcare partnership, we aim to eradicate mosquito-borne diseases to build a resilient and disease-free future. Thank you.